What is up? Michael Layton here, and today we have a new video on my gaming channel, and today is a different game than Minecraft, which I have recently uploaded. Today is, as you can see right here, willyoupressabutton.com. So basically it's a game kind of like Would You Rather, where there's two things right here, like for example, you can sleep on demand anytime you want, but you always feel tired. So if you push a button, that means you can sleep on demand anytime you want, but you always feel tired. But if you don't want that to happen and you want to be normal like everyone else, you'll hit will not. Honestly, I always feel tired, so because I'm in middle school now, so yeah. Got it. Wi-Fi? Oh, that's good. You are able to teleport anywhere, but this is done by creating a perfect copy of you elsewhere, after which the prior you's killed. But you'll still be alive. Can do more than one? Yeah, I don't like being dead. You get to have with your top 5 dream women. No one ever believed this. Okay, next question. Your favorite family member will live forever and you will always be with you. I don't like that. No. 23 people have pressed the button. What is wrong with you? 77 did. Good. I agree with society. You win any car of your ooh, Lambo. Yeah, I'll take a Lambo with 35 miles per hour. I don't care. Any scheduled test will be cancelled for the rest. Yay! You'll always have to study. Studying for nothing? Honestly, studying for nothing is pretty good than actually taking the test. You can shape the... Whoops. Oh, that was a mistake. Load. You can have or do anything you like all the time, but I've stepped on Legos before, it doesn't have that bad. Be riding on hoverboards with a gorilla on my shoulder. Oh, naked gorilla. You will receive unlimited wishes. Yay! But you can only use them for good or others not. Who wouldn't do that? Jerks. 4,765 jerks in the world. Let's see. You can do practically anything you want, illegal or otherwise, and get away with it. This is only because you were trapped in the same 24-hour loop for eternity and everything resets, including the next day and memories. So that basically be like Groundhog Day. I couldn't do that, no. Especially knowing it. Because then eventually, after you do it, you'll eventually do everything and just get bored. You can make 100% pure. Oh, oops, I accidentally just looked up blue. Oh! I don't want to smoke crystal meth bad. I didn't mean to do that. You don't have to sleep, eat, or breathe anymore. They're optional. You can live without them, but you get a horrible weekly Period. I'll do that. Be able to snap your fingers and appear exactly how you want to appear, clothes, hair, etc. You have to live by a candlelight. It's not that bad. I mean, I could go up and be like, hey guys, it's Justin Bieber. Candles set the mood. You get tickets to your favorite band and meet them, but after the concert you could come to... No. I could go home and watch that concert on YouTube. Our life. You are Why would I want to be Kanye West? I don't even want to be Kanye West. No. Actually, it's not even that bad watching the videos. You can resell and buy used games on Steam, but no Steam sales ever again, not even daily deals. Honestly, I don't use Steam. I just got it like 2 days ago and haven't bought any game. Honestly, I would rather get sales. It would cost you less money. Become Superman. Well, guess what? You can fly around with a phone in your hand and take a video and post it on Instagram. Everyone will love you then. Social media. You gain accurate powers of prophecy. Okay, like predicting the future. No, I'm not doing that. Friends will come back for another season. I don't watch Friends. But my mom does, so I'll do that. Good. You will be able to travel between different worlds of movies, video games, and cartoons. You will be haunted down by the government. But then I could just go to Star Wars and like steal Luke's lightsaber and be like, what are you gonna do now, government? Good. Good. I would live my life in Star Wars, and I would only go alone and make sure the government couldn't follow me. But if I wanted to go home, I would. Okay. You gain the power to do anything you imagine. Fitty doesn't matter. Everyone is always naked. That's the stupidest thing I ever heard. Oh yeah, maybe you want to see someone naked, but guess what? You'll be walking down the street. That old grandma that always walks her dog in front of your house. That would be disgusting. Okay guys, this is the end of the video for today. I hope you please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video on Mikey Plays. Bye!